Hi and welcome to channel by Solvita. Today I will show you how to make keyring. Let's begin. To make a keyring we can use any kind of fabric. It could be a white with a drawing on it or even neon color. I will use very hard linen with the red roses on it. First thing what we need to do, form a heart on the fabric and cut it out. We need to cut out 2 hearts. To write on the fabric, I will use a stencil. If you can write very beautifully, then you can do it without the stencil. Write directly to the fabric with a gel pen. I will use special fabric paint for that. After writing, we must wait 15-20 minutes while the paint is dry. Then we need to put both hearts together and stitching them on a sewing machine. Also, we need to sew a loop where we will attach chain with a ring. Do not forget to leave the hole for turning the heart on the right side. After you turn the heart on the right side, fill it with a centipede. top hole. And put on a chain with a ring. The keyring is ready. Thanks for watching. Subscribe my channel, like video, and see you soon.